Latest crypto and NFT news. Solana Blockchain enables OpenAI's ChatGPT plugin for enhanced user experience. Solana Labs, the development firm behind the Solana Blockchain, has announced that its users will soon be able to interact with the network through an open-source plugin enabled on OpenAI's artificial intelligence (AI) chatbot, ChatGPT. This new plugin will provide Solana users with an enhanced experience, allowing them to check wallet balances, transfer Solana native tokens, and purchase non-fungible tokens. The plugin will work by retrieving information from online sources and interacting with third-party websites to respond to commands requested by the user. Solana Labs has also encouraged developers to test the open-source code to retrieve on-chain data that they may be interested in. ChatGPT is capable of retrieving NFTs. ChatGPT is capable of retrieving a list of NFTs owned by a particular Solana address, with metadata links to the NFT sourced from Solana Labs Block Explorer. Although Solana Labs has not yet mentioned whether the plugin will be launched when OpenAI makes the plugin feature available to all, the feature is currently being rolled out to all users. Read the full news at www.nftstudio24.com.